I'm Rob Morgan. I am a writer. I'm a narrative specialist for augmented reality and virtual reality. So I write virtual reality games like A Fisherman's Tale, and I create augmented reality theatre, and I work with immersive theatre companies to implement headsets and XR technology into their experiences. So I'm speaking on a panel about virtual humans and beyond the meta-human. It's an area I'm really interested in as an augmented reality specialist in particular. I wanted to see what the European conversation about, particularly about the socio-political implications, the ethical implications of being able to not just kind of have an AI person inside a VR headset, but I'm interested in when that AI-driven virtual human starts moving out onto the street through XR, through augmented reality technology. I want to see what the conversation here is like. I'm just really excited to try demos. I came to chat to people and see what people are building, and the scene, the technology is accelerating so fast. I've actually been in virtual reality and augmented reality for over 10 years, talking about ideas that now we're finally seeing come true. And so much of that has happened in the last 2 years that I was really, really excited to come and see what people are building. So I just have a book out. I've just written a book. It's the first manual for storytelling, specifically for augmented reality. It's called Storytelling for Spatial Computing and Mixed Reality. So I will be doing some talks to promote that, and doing more consultancy and writing and telling cool stories inside a headset, and increasingly cool digital stories out in the real world.